In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Xfinity mobile plan in the app. Before we start, make sure you have the latest version of the Xfinity app installed on your phone or tablet and that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. If you're the primary account holder, you'll have the right permissions to make plan changes. Ready? Let's walk through it together. Begin by opening the Xfinity app on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from your device's app store. Give it a moment to load and sign into your primary Xfinity account. If you're having trouble accessing your account, use the in-app account recovery options, and once you're in, you're good to go. From the home screen, look for the Services tab. It's typically located along the bottom navigation bar. Tap Services, then find the Mobile Services section. Within that section, select Mobile Lines and Data Usage. This area shows you your current mobile lines, how much data you've used, and gives you access to plan controls. Now scroll down until you see Plan Management. Here's where you can make changes to your plan details. Tap Switch to the latest plan. This opens a guided flow that helps you compare your current setup with the latest plan options available to you. Follow the on-screen instructions to review and confirm your new plan. Take a moment to look closely at the details, data options, any changes to pricing, taxes and fees, and how the change may affect your billing cycle. Some changes may be prorated, meaning you'll see partial charges or credits on your next bill depending on when you switch. If you have multiple lines, confirm which lines you're updating before finalizing. When everything looks right, confirm your selection in the app. After you confirm, the app will process the update. You'll typically see a confirmation message right away, and you may also receive a confirmation email or notification. Changes can take effect immediately or start with your next billing cycle, depending on what you selected during the confirmation. You can return to the Mobile Lines and Data Usage screen to verify your new plan and keep an eye on your data usage going forward. And that's it. Your Xfinity plan has been successfully updated. If you ever want to review or adjust your plan again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.